I just want you to know that there is a summer sale going on right now. So the prices you see will last till the end of the sale and will increase afterwards. So this is the best time to get your hosting or hosting. Are you looking for more power and control when putting your React, Mern, or Next.js project online? Then Hostinger's VPS hosting is the best option. But using my link in the description below, you don't have to pay full price. When you check out their standard KVM plans, you'll see the regular promotional price, but there is a way to get those prices even lower. By using my referral link, an exclusive discount is automatically applied to your session. Watch the price instantly drop across every single tier, giving you an extra 20% off. Let's select the KVM 1 plan for 24 months. Take a look at the order summary. On the right side, a 20% referral discount is applied on your total price. Need a shorter commitment? No problem. If you switch your billing cycle down to 12 months, the 20% discount stays actively applied in your cart. Use the link to upgrade your server for less. Now back to the video.